Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dave here with Go Gamers, and today we got an Xbox One S on the repair bench that is not connected to controllers, and when it does connect to a controller, it will only connect for a brief period of time before it disconnects. So let's go over to the upper cam and see exactly what we got going on. All right, so as you guys can see, I got my son with me in the repair room, and we also got this Xbox One S in the repair room. Now, this thing is having troubles connected to controllers. It's having troubles connected to wireless internet, which all leads down to this right here. Now, this is our Wi-Fi Bluetooth module right here. It's all in one, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And this is easy to connect inside of these game consoles. And I'm going to show you guys how to be able to get this installed inside your Xbox One at home, or if you're doing any repairs for anyone else, I want to show you guys how to be able to get this. Now, you can be able to purchase this off of Amazon or eBay, or if you have a distributor that you can buy a bunch of these from. I get a bunch of these from Donor Game Consoles, so I still have a bunch of these Wi-Fi modules. So what we're going to do is, obviously, we're going to disconnect it, and we're simply going to take off this bottom cover. We're going to take off the green screws on here, which are the long screws on the game console, and we're going to be able to take the case off, and then we're going to simply be able to get this swapped out. So let's get that done. All right, so as you guys can see, here is our current Wi-Fi Bluetooth module, and I made a mistake. I grabbed the wrong one. I grabbed the ones for the Xbox One Fat. Not a problem, but I still have a bunch of these. I want to show you guys how we're going to take this apart. There's 3 screws that hold this in place. So we're going to take out these 3 screws, and we're going to simply just lift this out of the chassis. We're going to pull this out. Now I am going to go get the replacement one, and we're going to put it on there. Okay, guys, so we have the replacement one right here. We have the old one right here. Now we're just going to simply connect it in there. Now we can be able to turn this thing on and see if we get a good connection with the controller. All right, so I got the console powered on. I pressed the power button right here. The fan is spinning. Now we're going to connect the controller to it using the sync function. All right, so as you guys can see, we have full connectivity now. I can go back a little bit of a distance, which is something I couldn't do previously before. What?
There's a fire. What is that noise? It's a fire hydrant.
That's a siren.
It's a siren. Is it emergency?
You know, it's not an emergency. They're testing it.
They're testing it?
They're just making sure it works.
Works.
Yeah, they're just making sure the siren works.
The siren works.
All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys just this quick, simple video on how to be able to get your issue repaired if it's having troubles connected to Wi-Fi or your controller. So this was obviously a more or less more of a simple fix and a simple repair. If you guys still are having any issues, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to help you guys out. You can also reach out to us on our website, gogamers.com/repair. We could be able to organize your repair, ship it into us, or walk it into us, and we'll be able to get your game console repaired. But besides that, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel if you are brand new. But besides that, I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.